The pose is Janu Shirasana. Janu Shirasana means head to knee pose. What are the benefits of this pose, Janu Shirasana? It helps to remove tension of the legs, of the hamstrings, and also the improve flexibility of the hip joints. It helps to stimulate the thymus glands and improve your immune system. And it gives you flexibility of the spine and at the same time your lower back, tension of the lower back, the sacrum area. It helps to strengthen the reproductive nerves, and that's why it helps to also remove undesirable thoughts. It controls the lower chakras very much. Which chakras will benefit this pose? Mainly the lower chakras, Muladhara chakra, Svadhisthana chakra, the Manipura chakra, and also the Anahata chakra because of the effects on the thymus. What are the contraindications to this pose? Lower back problems because of the bending forward, the spinal lower back conditions. You have to be very careful. And if you have high blood pressure, you don't want to do this pose because of the bending forward. And especially if you have excruciating headache, you usually avoid it. We start with the left foot out, extend the left foot, the left leg. Inhaling, exhaling. Inhale. Exhale. Right side. Left foot close to the thigh. The brothers may want to press into, if you're a male gender, you may like to press into your Muladhara chakra. Otherwise, for ladies, just extend the leg, pressing the left foot to the side of the right thigh. Inhaling, lengthening. Exhaling from the pelvic, exhaling. Closing the gap between the forehead and the right leg. About 8 seconds and then inhaling. Exhaling. That was one round. We try again. Extend the left leg out. Some of us may want to use a block under the leg, or you may not need to, or you want something lower, like a blanket or a towel or a pillow under. You may use it to support, or in some cases, our ankles may be too painful on the floor. You may want to have something supporting the ankle too. So lengthening, or you could just simply bend the knees if you need to bend the knees. Lengthening, keeping the back up straight. As you exhale, you bend forward. Grab hold of your leg if you can. If you're not reaching, you could just go to the level that you can. Breathing out completely. About 8 seconds, inhaling, reaching up. Exhaling. So you may use the support or not, depending how you find, use a block. Inhale, exhaling. About 8 seconds and then inhaling. Then you come up. Exhaling forward. Be careful you don't exert your back too much, but keep your abdominal engaged while you go into the bending position. I've showed you some variations. You could use props. Again, you may not need to go all the way down if that's restricting you. You could also have another variation is this, inhaling. As you exhale, you may want to use a block or a blanket to support, or even a bolster to support yourself. As you inhale, you may bring your arms closer, coming up. Exhaling. Inhale. Exhaling. Inhaling. Exhaling. Now, I have said for the sisters, you bring your foot, the other foot just next to your thighs. But for the brothers, you may press your heel of your foot to your Muladhara chakra. Slightly different method of doing it would benefit the different gender. The duration is 4 sets. 1 set consists of left side, right side, about 8 seconds each time. That means exhaling, holding for 8 seconds, coming up. And then right side, exhaling, inhaling, coming up. So that's 1 set. You do 4 sets of it. The name is Janu Shirasana, head to knee pose.